Here are 3 tips to keep moving when you're stuck on a song. Tip number 1, take a short break. Your brain needs time to reset when it's overthinking, and stepping away allows you to hear your song differently when you come back. Here are a couple things you can do during your break. Stretch or do a few simple movements, have a snack or drink a little bit of water, and walk around your space or look around a window. Tip number 2, keep it super simple. This helps because focusing on smaller parts of your song reduces overwhelm, and small wins build momentum and confidence. Here are some ideas on what to focus on. You could create a 5-second drum pattern, add just one note to your melody, or even just tweak the volume or the sound of one instrument. Having those little goals can really go a long way when keeping you motivated to continue your music. And then tip number 3 is to have fun playing around and looking at it from a different angle. Creativity often sparks when there's no pressure, and experimenting leads to unexpected, interesting ideas. Here are a couple ideas for you. Go ahead and try using a sound or an instrument you don't usually use. Maybe you randomly press keys and see what happens. Focus on trying to make mistakes with this and don't overthink it.